Germany, France and Israel will go ahead with plans to administer COVID-19 vaccine boosters. That's disregarding an appeal by the World Health Organization to hold off booster shots until more people are vaccinated around the world. France is working on rolling out third doses to the elderly and vulnerable from September, whilst Germany intends to give boosters to patients with impaired immune systems, the very elderly and nursing home residents from September. Both states have so far given at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine to more than 60% of their populations. Almost 50% of their citizens have been fully vaccinated. And Israel urged older citizens to get a third shot of the vaccine, after the government last month kicked off a campaign to give booster doses. The US has said that it will provide a third vaccine dose if needed, and that it will also donate the surplus vaccines to poorer nations. The country has the world's largest vaccine supply. 70% of its population has received at least one dose. The World Health Organization's called for a suspension of booster shots until at least 10% of the population in every country was vaccinated. The organization's chief believes global vaccine supply should be used to inoculate the population of lower-income nations. 80% of all COVID-19 vaccines have been given in richer nations.
We need an urgent reversal from the majority of vaccines going to high-income countries to the majority going to low-income countries. Accordingly, WHO is calling for a moratorium on boosters until at least the end of September to enable at least 10% of the population of every country to be vaccinated.
The decision of these countries to press ahead with booster shots despite the WHO's appeal highlights huge inequities as richer nations ramp up programs to protect citizens from the more infectious Delta variant. Less than 5% of the doses administered to date globally have been in Africa, whilst over 50% of the European Union's adult population has been fully vaccinated.